Yaula KTN News.
Now, all roads will lead to Kamkunji grounds in Nairobi on Tuesday as Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition leader Raila Odinga is expected to jet back into the country to address a major rally, giving the way forward after contentious finance bill was passed and ascended into law by President William Ruto. Our reporter Grace Nganga has more details.
A fresh wave of anti-government protest is expected to kick off as opposition leader Raila Odinga and principal Wiper Party Kalonzo Musyoka are expected to jet back into the country. Sources told KTN News Raila, who was from Poland and later in Dubai, is expected to land at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport Tuesday morning and join his other principals for a major rally at the Kamkunji grounds, Nairobi. However, we could not verify where Kalonzo is, but he is also on a foreign trip and is expected back on the same day. Nairobi members of the county assembly affiliated to the coalition mobilized Kenyans to march to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to receive Odinga and escort him to Kamkunji grounds, where he is expected to give way forward.
The Kenya police, we are partners still in managing the security situation of our country. We ask you to provide for us security from JKIA to Kamkunji grounds peacefully, because we are peace-loving Kenyans.
On Thursday, NARC Kenya party leader Martha Karua announced the coalition's plans to embark on public engagements at 10 a.m. Tuesday after the controversial Finance Bill 2023 was passed by Parliament.
Tuesday is the determinant. As we have said, an institution called Parliament gets its mandate from the people, but the people retain the residual power.
Raila threatened to take action should the government fail to reconsider some of the proposals in the bill, saying it will distribute poverty in the country. Now, the coalition announced having fresh consultations with the people that will feature, among other issues, the government's rejection to reconsider some proposals in the Now Finance Act and VAT increment on petroleum products, which Azimio says will only make life unbearable with the current price spike of commodities.
You are bringing alternatives and people are bringing numbers. You know, you can't have a conversation with such people. And you see, it's also not fair for Kenyans to expect us to convince people to do what is right. I mean, we are all elected by the same people.
Kwa vile ametia kidole leo, hiyo ni kudhihirisha wazi hakusikiza mambo ya wananchi ambao walisema kwamba mzigo umekuwa mzito zaidi.
Other clauses that were opposed by Azimio include the introduction of withholding tax on payments made in respect to digital content monetization, digital asset tax upon digital asset transfer or exchange value, and marginal tax rate applicable to employees from 30% to 35%. Monday, however, President William Ruto ascended to the Finance Bill 2023, which takes effect from July 1st, paving way for Kenyans to adapt the new revenue-rising measures. He also approved the Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2023, warranting the additional spending by the national government of 22.9 billion shillings from Consolidated Fund and the Appropriations Bill 2023 at State House, Nairobi. However, Azimio plans have continued to receive criticism from Kenya Kwanza, who argue that the protests organized by Azimio leaders have no benefit to Kenyans, with President William Ruto and his deputy Rigathi Gachagua cautioning Azimio from destruction of property during the planned protests. Grace Nganga, KTN News, Nairobi.
Thank you, Grace, for that update.